Hello, my name is Diane, and I just wanted to show you how to change a file into a zip file. It's actually very easy, and I'm going to do this for a PDF. So I have a test PDF right here. First of all, you click on it, and you see that it is highlighted. What I do next is I do a right click, and when I do a right click, I come down here to it says compress, and then it will say the name of the file. So that is one way you can do it. Or you can come up here to the file menu in the Finder window and you click on that, and then you come down to compress with a file name, and I'm going to click on that. So you see automatically in the Mac this test zip file comes up, and I'm going to show you in the next video what you can do with that and how to make it a downloadable link. Okay, thanks for listening. Have a great day. Bye.